Welcome back. You are now looking at a free account of ChatGPT, and what you're going to see available is you're going to see voice mode. Free accounts do have limited use of voice mode in order to interact with ChatGPT. When you click on voice mode, ChatGPT is going to ask for the mic from within your browser. You will then allow ChatGPT to use your mic. ChatGPT, what is the best way to create video tutorials in a whiteboard way?
Creating video tutorials in a whiteboard style can be very engaging. Start by scripting your content to keep it clear and concise. Use a high-quality whiteboard tool or software and ensure your handwriting or drawing is legible. Use color coding to highlight key points and keep your explanations straightforward and engaging. Finally, practice your delivery to maintain a smooth and professional tone.
So as you can see, you can interact with ChatGPT using voice, and you can have ChatGPT interact back with you. If you want to hear ChatGPT reread what it said, you can replay the audio.
Creating video tutorials in a whiteboard style can be very engaging.
So voice mode allows you to dictate to ChatGPT and to have it narrate its response back to you. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.